If you factory reset a Samsung A12 and forgotten the Google account credentials associated with it, you won't be able to access it. This is because the FRP lock, factory reset protection, is enabled to stop thieves from unlocking it fully after a simply reset. While FRP lock is useful to protect your phone, it can also get you into trouble when you don't remember your Google account credentials. We are here to provide you the updated solutions to Samsung A12 FRP bypass. Galaxy A12 FRP bypass is recommended to use the powerful FRP bypass tool Droid Kit, an all-in-one solution for Android users to safely and securely bypass Google account verification. It completely removes the FRP lock within few clicks. Support Samsung A12 running Android 6 to 15. Also support other Samsung models, Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme, etc. Firstly, free download Droid Kit on your PC, and then select the FRP bypass mode. Then connect your Samsung A12 with a USB cable and click on the Start button. After that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Then click the Start to Bypass button. Now follow the instructions shown to put your device in recovery mode and get your Samsung system version, then hit the Next button. Now follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. After completing the setting, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your device will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your phone or tablet. If you don't have a computer, try hard resetting your Samsung Galaxy A12 to bypass FRP. Firstly, long press the power on off, home, and volume up buttons at the same time and wait for a screen with numerous options to appear. Then scroll down with the degree down key and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset using the on-off button. Then go to Yes, delete all user data to confirm the reset of Samsung and wait patiently for the process to complete and the phone to reboot normally. Once the process is complete, the phone will be completely data erased. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.